Hotel 10, tucking
Winning.
low. Our lights get the cap. We don't want to take any return fire. Lights will be informing us where their bigs are. Eventually, if we need to push on them, very similar like what we did against Storm Panda, we do that. They start to get close, and that's when we get our lights to crash into. Otherwise, we rotate as need. Try to keep Valley low. Let's move forward.
Following you, Hawkins.
Yep.
I keep the commander alive for once.
Omaha.
I keep telling you, I have survived these matches.
Hawkins, do you want a full cap on Kappa? Just a sliver.
Yes, you can do full cap.
Copy.
This is gonna be one of those maps where
That's gonna come down to the...
yeah.
Keep going, Tiff. I'll finish.
Yep, I just want to start it.
They got guys to gamma pretty fast, so they probably have one fast Mac.
I think they'll probably have two.
They're capping
Their
up
fast
front.
max are split.
Have any eyes on their bigs yet?
I've got no eyes where I'm at. They've got one pushing on Theta. Ice Ferret. I'm gonna wait for you, Connix.
Alright, make sure
I'm
you stay
460
fairly
out.
low. If they spot these Orions,
Go. Make sure you go for their legs. Lights.
Nope, I got a timber straight ahead. Juliet
300
10.
out.
I'm engaging Connix. Looks like he
Oh,
pulled
yeah.
off. Just pulled off.
yeah, they see us very
Yeah,
easily at
that's
this
a
point.
timber in Juliet 10. I'm taking fire already.
Fine, just tuck low. Tuck low.
Trying.
Do set.
Coming back in.
UAV above you two.
That's ours.
There they are, they're in 99. Here.
Yep, tuck in, tuck in, tuck in.
So we're holding here in H11.
holding.
Push Connix.
Yep, we're gonna be tucking
Too
this
far,
direction.
chat. Come back.
Yep, don't go too far, Connix. They've got to overwatch that direction.
We've got the cap lead.
Indian 9 is hot. I count one timber and one light mech.
All we need is that cap lead. Stay under cover. No need to peek.
Guys, if you wrap around back to the area
You want a back cap?
where I'm at with Hulkins, you'll have better cover from I-10.
Hmm.
Do you want to
Yeah, we have some
towards
really good
Gamma,
cover.
back cap them, Holkins?
Thanks.
They can see us right
I'm
now.
trying to round our right flank.
Yeah, you guys go cap. Go cap now, lights.
Cop.
Alright, where do you want us to go? Do you want us to rotate away from them?
Rally on Hawkins, rally on Hawkins.
Oh, I don't know where Hawkins is.
We're
Hawkins-
Okay, I see, I
towards
see.
I-12,
Yeah, drop down, Trent. Drop down, Trent.
Hey Flynn, what do
This is
you
great
see for
cover.
us? Yeah.
I can't.
They're extreme range.
Yeah,
If
they're
you want to
still
hit
in
us here,
Hotel 10.
somebody's in Hotel 10.
They're rotating right at your position into
All right.
Gulf 11 right there.
Let's start
Just keep-
rotating to Julie
yeah,
as well.
Just gotta stay away
Keep
from
rotating around to J12, right?
Yep.
And
Rotating
let our
away.
lights keep. Let
They
the
have
lights
2
keep doing their thing.
ferrets.
Our white shit needs to stay alive.
I got shots on my back here. Gotta move quicker to the next cover.
Yeah,
Push
Bradley.
here from India 11 to India
We
10.
round this corner right up here. J13, take a right.
Alright, J13, take a right. Follow Bradley now.
Alright, we're going to lose cover here. Do we want to hold? Or what?
I'm taking a lot of damage here. Gotta stay down
Drop
here.
down,
right-
drop
right
down,
here,
drop
guys.
down, drop down, drop
Yeah,
down,
you
drop down.
can't.
Ziff,
You
I'm
can't
gonna
be
run
high.
straight across to Epsi.
Copy. Flynn, join up with me on Gamma.
Alright, guys.
Alright, they are taking
Okay.
Kappa.
This is the last eyes we saw on them.
I can
There's
see.
India 11. I'm still taking
Alright,
hits
guys.
on me.
Hey,
Let me just keep rotating to Kappa.
Biggs, can we? How far are you guys away from us?
Yeah, you can keep rotating. We want to keep close. They have fast speed.
Strike on us. They get a strike
Can
on
we
us.
Alright, move out of the strike. Hey, lights, we're gonna need you now. We're gonna be
I'll
pushing
return.
on them probably soon. Yeah. And lights, if you can get exactly where they're at for us for the bigs to give us a better idea, this would be great.
Copy. I'm gonna.
How are y'all
finish
doing,
I've
Xander?
got one in like Juliet 11,
What,
India
Brad?
11, something like that.
Right, they're currently out capping us.
They're at Hotel
Okay.
10,
Guys, we're gonna start making the push
India
towards them.
11.
Guys, start pushing towards their direction now.
Alright,
we
stay
have our
low,
lights.
stay low and right.
Yep, stay
Follow
low.
Hawkins, follow Hawkins, everybody together.
They're not even looking at us. And now they'll kind of see this one as too late.
Yes.
Now our lights are going to pounce on them. Their lights should be away. And then let's all just go in.
Our lights are not in position to pounce, but I got their attention.
Don't worry, we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Just
We're
keep
probably
coming
good
fast
now.
as you can.
Yep.
Alright, they're
We'll
pulling
crash
back.
around the
We're in
same time.
position to hit now.
Yeah,
I am at
go
least.
now. Go lights now. Need to pinch
Well,
up.
Hawkins were split.
Fine.
Who's our target? Foxtrot?
Whoever's first.
To the right, to the right, to the
Yeah,
right. Look,
to the
Hawkins.
right. Yep. Bigs rotate to the right. Lights take care of yours, guys.
Come on, Fox, CT.
Stay low, stay low, stay low.
Mm-hmm.
Finish Fox.
Finish Fox, help the lights.
We're in there.
Out.
Alright, we're on the
Foxtrot
rock
CT.
straight.
Gonna disengage to a lot of damage.
Alright, Fox is down.
Go for the big targets. Don't worry about the smalls.
Timber on the right. Charlie.
Yep, Timber to the right. We also have his mech to the left. So just
Timber on the right is almost legged. He is legged.
I've got Ice Bird chasing me.
He's down. Evan Jag,
Foxtrot
hotel.
Jax.
Evan Jag.
Their gargoyle is shut down.
Evan Jag is legged. Go left leg, right leg, sorry.
Get that gargoyle.
Where the
Gargoyle.
Gargoyle.
Finish him off, and then I'm rotating to Delta now.
Gargoyle's down. Bravo's leg. Ice Spirit.
Alright, Delta, great target.
Back behind. Get that seat. Back behind. Get that left torso. Left torso. He's running from a. Can the light go after the guy
Yeah,
at
they got a lot.
H11?
Hotel 11.
Oh, face hug him. Get away.
To your
Hunchback
left.
shut down. Everybody shoot the hunchback. Somebody needs to get the H11 guys escaping. You're
Copy,
talking
I'm on
on
it.
the wrong
I'm
comms.
on it. I'm on it.
It doesn't matter. We're all on the same.
Right torso.
Is he rotating left or right
Split
out
for
of
caps
H11?
now.
No, he's going for
We gotta
I11.
get capped.
Copy ND11.
How fast is that last one? Or 'cause the lights can
It's
keep
a nice
chasing
Trent
us.
is
going to
I'm headed to
Trent's going
Epsilon.
Oh, roger. Trent's going Kappa.
I guess I'm gonna run to
He's
Theta.
on Theta. He's on Theta.
I'm heading that way, but I'm not exactly the fastest mech in our group.
Somebody should cap Sigma out.
I'll be on Theta shortly.
We got 3 guys converging on Theta. You should be able to get him.
As long as Ziff and Trent, or not Brent. Yeah, Ziff and Flynn stay together, you guys will be
dead.
fine.
Connix and
Oh,
Flynn are
Connix
up.
and Flynn, sorry. Just keep
Alright,
taking
he's
it
coming.
down.
There he is.
Epsilon.
He's coming to me. I'm gonna try to cut him off in Lima 10.
Bigs, yeah, Bigs go for the caps, and then Lights will go after that last mech, so it should be 2 on 1. Just keep them, keep chasing in.
What
Just
grid
flip
square?
Theta.
K12-ish last time.
Stay on
like
Eps. Who just left Eps?
That was a light.
Okay, here we go. L11 to L10.
Alright,
L11 to M11.
I'm in a decent position to cut him off.
I'm not going to catch him. I'm
Ooh.
going to flip Theta. Just
Alright,
Yeah.
perfect. Yep,
Heavy,
Theta.
don't even bother chasing. You're not gonna get him.
I got him.
That's it.
At this point, we really
Or
need to get
Connix.
those
We need
caps.
Sigma.
We're
Trent's
fine.
Finney is Sigma. You're there.
We don't have to worry about caps because Flynn is chasing him out. Not even going to get caps at this point.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Tonics can easily, or Flynn can easily 1v1 this guy.
Someone's got his back.
Oh, almost like him. Good
Nice
kill.
Nice.
kill.
Nice job.
Alright,
There you go.
finish off.
Good win.
Was not expecting a brawl on this map to work.
I don't think they were
No,
either.
It's worked
You
in
know-
the past.
It's
You
not
know
bad.
what,
There's lots of low ground. If
when
you can
Ziff-
close the distance and make a good call about when to do it.
Yeah, when Ziff and I went in, like, literally only 1 or 2 of their dudes was even paying attention to Ziff, like, me or Ziff, and, like, Ziff was...
That's because they were shooting at me.
And they were shooting at Hawkins and I too.
Yeah, that grasshopper I put a lot of... He was like the only one fighting me for a while. And then I took a lot of fire after that, but it worked out.